Okay, so this video is the follow-up to my trip out to Spencer, Tennessee. So I get to the customer out in Spencer, Tennessee. It turns out that he's actually has three convertible Jaguars. He's kind of like a guy that loves the car. He buys and sells them and that whole thing. But anyway, he called me about a year, maybe a year and a half ago, while he was living in Houston, Texas. And we had a conversation about me coming out, fixing the car. I gave him my pricing, and he says, okay, I'll get back to you. So finally, he calls me, and now he's ready. I'm going to say about a year and a half later, now that I think about it. About a year and a half. So I finally get to his home, and he's got three convertible Jags. I'm like, wow, who does this? And he says, well, I'm going to fix them, and I'm going to sell them. Now it makes sense. So he points out each car. One car is his daily driver. The other one is the car that he wants to fix the hoses on, and he's got a third car, which is actually a parts car that he bought at an auction. Makes sense. So he walks me over to his pride and joy, his daily driver. And I asked him how the convertible top was working on that. He says, oh, it works great. So I said, well, crank it up. Let's take a look. 5 minutes later, the convertible top is still not working. So I said, you got a problem with the convertible top on your daily driver. He says, no, the top is fine. I said, you do realize that it's only supposed to take 30 seconds, right? He thought about it for a second. He says, no, the top is fine. Okay. So he moves me over to the convertible top in question. He says, Marvin, I tried to do the repair myself. I didn't want to spend the money. And turns out I broke the frame. Well, I open the car door. I look. I said, well, yeah, you broke the frame. So anyway, what he wanted me to do was to take the convertible top off of his rebuildable, his wrecked car, take the convertible top, the complete top, the cloth, the frame and everything, take that off of his rebuildable car, put that on the car that he wanted to sell, the car that he actually broke the frame on, and I just wasn't willing to do that. He didn't have the money to do it in the first place. But point is, guys, you do-it-yourselfers out there is a lesson in trying to do this repair on your own. And I'm not saying that there aren't guys out there who can't do it. There are. But if this isn't something that you do regularly, which is turning wrenches and figuring stuff out, you will mangle the convertible top on your car. Hopefully not your wife's car if you want to stay living inside of the house. But you're better off saving the money, biting the bullet, and having me come out and fix the convertible top on your car. It's just that simple. I mean, this guy, bless his heart, had to go out and buy a car at an auction to take parts of it to fix the convertible top. It's just not worth it. More trouble than it ended up being. But anyway, guys, to you do-it-yourselfers out there, have at it if you want. You're better off just having me come out. I know what the hell I'm doing. I don't want to see you damage your car or your wife's car. Just have me come out, fix the damn top, be done with it. I usually arrive at the home first thing in the morning. I'm usually done by dinner time. You're just better off having a guy who comes out, who does this regularly. Just come to your home, fix the convertible top, pay me my fee, and I'm on my way. I'm out of your hair in less than 6, 7, maybe 8 hours tops. Anyway, my phone number again, you guys should know it by now. I've created enough videos. Phone number directly to me, 888-317-9340. Again, you do-it-yourselfers, save your money. Have me come out, fix the top the right way. You and I will have a Miller Lite after I get the top squared away for you. Again, 888-317-9340. Thanks a lot, guys. See you soon.